Hello guys, today I'm going to be gecko hunting. How many geckos can we find? And lizards. We are in Greece at the minute. I'm looking for crickets, lizards and geckos. We've seen loads. Oh, there's a dragonfly. Oh, it's gone now. Where shall they be? Where shall they be? Just a minute before this, I found a dead dragonfly. Oh, my friend's pointing at something. You can't see the dragonfly. Ready? There's some and there's a lizard, guys. Blue-tailed lizard. Should we try catch it? Go. William, move. Guys. That's cool. That's really cool. Right, let's go on the hunt. Char, what should we go and hunt for now? A cricket and ants. Yeah. Cricket and ants. Yeah? I'm good. Oh, yo. I wonder, will there be any ants on this tree? Oh, there's loads of baby snail eggs. These are snail eggs. Yo. Thanks for helping me find a lizard. Where do you think they'll be? Do you think they'll be in the grass or weird places? Yeah. I thought that was a stick insect for a minute, but it's literally just a twig. Yeah. Oh no, there's a dead leaf, there's a dead flower. No, the wilderness. No. Sorry, I thought that was funny. It looks like, I think this video should be leaf hunting more than hunting for animals. Oh, there's a dragonfly. I think he got a quick shot of it. Shit. Look at it, guys. Yo. That's cool. Over there. It's hard to show you the dragonfly because they just like move away. And that's the hard bit. We're in Greece, it's 38 degrees at the minute. And we're literally filming a YouTube video. Look how smooth this rock is. I forgot to record the whole entire thing. That was just my brother, he forgot to record. Look at that rock. I'm gonna name it Charlie. That's Rock Charlie. Rock Charlie and Zach the Plan and Rock Jeffrey chilling together, man. Yo, that's cool. Alright guys, see you in the next one. Peace.